Hello guys, you are welcome to this video, and I'm going to be telling you why you should have a YouTube channel for your business. Every business, every small business need a YouTube channel just to have more sales, because before people buy from you, I want you to know that there are three processes that people mindset, their psychology follow before they buy from you. The very first one is that they must try to know you, like the way you are seeing me now. They must like you, and they begin to trust you, and they finally buy from you. In this three process, you can achieve them. Whatever business you are doing, you can make people to know you through YouTube. They can like you by giving them, teaching them for free, giving them free content, giving them value, educating them, and they will finally trust you, and whatever you have for them to buy, they will finally buy from you. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you what you need to create your YouTube channel, and also how the various ways you are going to make money from your YouTube channel. Actually, you can make money from your YouTube channel in various ways, okay? In various ways, and from your business, from the YouTube payment, access, and so many other ways, like the affiliate way. So now, not to waste time, if this is your first time on my channel, I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche, and what we do in this channel is that I give you businesses ideas that you can start to make money online. So disclaimer, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever I teach you, whatever I show to you on this my YouTube channel is just for educational purposes. Okay, so for you to create your YouTube channel so that you will be creating content and be educating people for free based on your needs, so that they will trust you, like you, so that they will know you, like you, and trust you, and finally buy from you. You will need some equipment. So this equipment depends on how financial buoyant you are. Okay, so now you don't have to try to impress people. Okay, you can start with whatever you like. So these are some of the things you are likely to need when you want to create a YouTube channel. The very first thing is a mobile phone. Okay, so you don't have to go and buy a big camera. So if you have an Android phone just like this is a common phone. This common phone can a Camon 17 Pro or Camon 19. Common product of Techno. If you are in Nigeria, they are very good in camera. That is for low budget people. Okay, so but if you don't have money for Camon, you can still go with any Android phone that have a good camera. But if you want to go for a cheap phone, you can go for Camon 17 Pro. It has a very good camera. And if you have a better money, you can go for iPhone. Like I'm using iPhone to shoot this video now, from iPhone 11 Pro Max. That is what I'm using right now. You can go for 13 or 14. Okay, so those are the low budget camera you need. Okay, you don't have to go for all those big camera. The next thing you are likely to need is a source of audio. So because you have got visual now, the next thing is audio. Audio is the most important, let me just say the truth. Okay, because even though you don't have a camera, you can still have a YouTube channel without showing your face. But for the purpose of your business, for people to quickly know you, like you, and trust you, you need to show your face so that they can buy anything you wish to sell to them. Okay, so now having your phone, your camera, the next is audio source. I will recommend an audio source for you that is best for you. Even the biggest YouTubers, some of them still use this audio microphone. So look at this. This is Boya M1. It's a wire microphone, and the wire, you can see, is very long. You can plug it to your phone. You can plug it to your phone to a very far distance, and you can shoot your video. Okay, so this is Boya M1 microphone. Okay, this microphone is the best recommended microphone you can start your YouTube channel with. So you can just put it and hide it under your shirt. You can decide to break the mount and hang it under here, or you can even hide it within. Okay, so this is the best microphone you can start here in Nigeria. I don't know which country you are watching from. This microphone is at the time I bought it, I think it's at about 6,500 naira. Right now I don't know the price, but the best place to get this is on Gigi. Okay, you can get this on Gigi Marketplace. Okay, so this is the microphone you can get. If you don't get this one, you can get any lavalier microphone you can use. There are other wireless microphone, but I will not recommend that for you. This is the most affordable, and the sound is from all the microphone I've tested. I have this one, Boya M1, is more expensive. I have the wireless, which is not close by here now, but this one is the best. Get it, this, okay? So that is that. The next thing you will need is something you are going to place your camera or your phone on, okay? So for the iPhone user, if you have an iPhone, you don't actually have to buy a microphone, because iPhone has internal microphone that is very loud. In fact, this video you are watching is being shot on iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the camera and the voice is very okay. Right now I'm not shouting, and you can still listen to my voice. So the only disadvantage with using the iPhone microphone is not the loudness. It's very loud, the sound is good, the audio capture is good. It's when there is background noise. Now right now I'm shooting this video at night, and there's no background, but when there's background noise, it will capture everything, while the other microphone, they will try to reduce the background noise, okay? So the next thing you have, when you have your visual, you have your audio source, the next thing you need is your light, okay? You need light, because most of the videos you are going to be shooting, as far as you are not a skit maker that is going for outdoor shooting, if you are going to be doing, if your content is based on indoor, you will need light. Just like I'm shooting this video now at night, you need light, okay? And if you have to go for affordable light, you can go for a ring light. You can go for a ring light like this one, okay? So when you have a ring light like this, you can manage it for standing, and a tripod, okay? And a tripod. So I take the ring light. This is 8 inches. It's not more than, I think, 16,000 there, but I don't know. Go to Gigi, search for ring light, okay? So, and also if you need additional source of light, maybe you want to make the proper source of lighting should supposed to be 3. You have 2 of this. This is LED light, 2 of this, okay? This is the one I'm using, one at the right, one at the left right now. So I'm supposed to use the ring light in the middle, but I just wanted to show you the ring light, okay? So if you don't have money for this, 2 ring light is enough for you. 2 small ring light is enough for you to brighten you, okay? You don't have to pressure yourself, or you buy 1 of this and 1 ring light. But this one is more expensive. That's the smallest ring light, okay? So go according to your budget. But if you have 1, or if you have 2, it's enough. 2 ring light, or 1 of this and 1 ring light. As a small YouTube channel, start small, then as time goes on, you will know more other things to buy. So the next thing you need is that you have to find something that you place your phone, so that your phone will not be shaking, or your camera will not be shaking while you are making the video. As you can see, my camera is standing in one position using a tripod. So I'm using a tripod right now on a table, okay? On a table, a small portable tripod. So now, if I'm to recommend a tripod for you, this is the tripod I would recommend for you. Something similar to this, just get it. As you can see, the name selfie stick. Just buy a selfie stick, and it can open, okay? Something that can open like this. You can see this is the one I use in shooting all my YouTube videos you have been watching. It is adjustable. You can adjust it, So, but on top of table, once you have a table, a rubber table, a plastic table, any table you have, a wooden table, just place it like this, and you put your phone. So it will hold your phone for you, and that is it, okay? So you put it on top of table, and you can, it's easily portable. This is the one I recommend for you. It's very cheap. I think I got this as of then around 9,000, 7,000 or 9,000 thereabout. So that is how it's being sold on Gigi. Just go search Gigi Nigeria. You'll be able to get this to hold your phone on top of table. But if you don't want to use table, you also use a tripod for phone. There's another one here you can get, but I recommend that, because this one is more expensive, okay? You can see this one, okay? You can see this one. This is a tripod that can stand on its own, and it's a phone holder tripod. This is how it looks, okay? It's adjustable. you can adjust it to any length and stand anywhere. But like I say, this one is not durable like that portable one. So that is what I recommend for you if you are to follow my recommendation. So guys, with all this, you have been able to buy the equipment you need for your YouTube channel. A chair, of course. Yes, you need to sit somewhere. You can sit in your sitting room, you can sit on your bed, you can get a chair. If you don't have an office chair like the one I'm sitting now, you can get a plastic chair from the market. A plastic chair, you can cover it with any black material, anything. Just, you know, start your YouTube. You can be in your sitting room or your cushion, you know, anywhere, and have a nice background. Okay, so you paint your room white. So white background is always the best recommended. Okay, you can use any background. So in case you don't want to be, you are in a rented apartment and the background in the room, you don't like it, you can repaint it. If you don't have the time to repaint it, you can buy a background from the market. You know, just tell them you need a studio drop. Okay, studio, what is it called? I think it's studio drop background. So you just buy the colors you want: blue, pink, white. White is more to me, I prefer white background. Okay, so those are the things you need to create your YouTube channel. So once you have your video ready, you have your content ready. So this is the reason why most people are not selling more things. People are not buying from you because you don't create content, you don't educate people, they don't trust you, they don't know you. So those are the things you just need to start your YouTube channel. In fact, even though you don't have a good phone right now, you can still start a YouTube channel with a phone that you can just record the screen and your voice. Okay, you put the phone close to your mouth, but your face will not be showing. But like I recommend, it's better your face is showing so that you win. People get to know you, like you, and trust you instantly, and you can sell anything to people while you're having that strategy. Okay, so now having done that, the next thing we're going to do is how to actually now edit your video using the video editor, which I've taught you. If you are my student, you know that I've done a lot of tutorial on how to edit video, both the free one and the paid one, in my mentorship group. So if you want to become a video editor, you can join my mentorship group by paying a token. To check the description of this video, you see a link to buy my course on how to create ad video, become a video editor. But I also check the playlist of this my video, of this my channel. You are going to see video editing. So you learn how to edit the video you have just recorded with your mobile phone. You don't actually need sophisticated. With your mobile phone, you can still edit your video. I've done full tutorial on how to use CapCut, which is the most sophisticated mobile editor to edit your phone on this channel. Check the playlist, you see full mobile video editing. Edit your video, and the next thing is how we are going to upload this video to YouTube. So all right guys, that is the reason why you need to have a YouTube channel, and that is how you have to create it, how to create a YouTube channel, edit your video and upload it to YouTube. So subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. I'm dropping another video on how to make money and monetize your YouTube within few days, you know, okay, in the next video.